Okay, so this is why people need to stop using aftermarket hydraulic fluid filters on their Kubota tractors, because these filters aren't designed the way that Kubota wanted them to be designed. They're too restrictive, and I've actually seen these, especially this brand in particular, Baldwin, expand and explode out, like just balloon. So what you want to do is get the right filters, because this one, after they did a service, is now whining from the HST. And let's see if we could hear it. Try to give it a crank real quick. See? Push the clutch in, it goes away. It's not the throwout bearing. It's going from back here. Right back here.